Hello there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website for free. So here you can see currently this is from my PC. You can see this is my project. I want to actually host it for free. So it's a 3D website. And if you don't know how to create a new website, we have a bunch of different videos on it. You can check in our channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website or deploy your website for free. Completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. And this is the project source code. You can see static website basically. Now for this, we have to actually go for the infinity free website. So type infinity free and search it on the browser. And here you can see infinityfree.com. So go there. Now, if you're for the first time, you can click here register and register your account through either Google or GitHub. I'll recommend you to go with the Google. Okay. Let's go for the login because I have created my account, and now I'll select login with Google because I have created it through Google. And here you can see this is my account, and now I have my account, but here you can see we have option here create account. Already we have account, then why we need this? These accounts are basically domains. So you can actually create 3 domain. Basically these are subdomain. So you can create 3 subdomain at a time. And you can also delete domain if you don't need that domain. Here you can see I have here 5 deleted accounts. It means I have created 5 different domains and then I have deleted also. Now I have only 1 active accounts. I can actually go here and I can replace all my file here. But I'll show you the easiest way because you are for the first time. So we'll click here create account for the new domain. Here you can see we have different option here. So we are going to do this for free. So we are going to select this one, infinity free, $0. So create now, click here. And we have to actually confirm that we are human. We have to check it. And you can see verifying success, done. Now here we have to search our domain. So I will actually name it as test banana. Okay. And now I will check if it is available or not. But before that, you can actually check here domain extension. We have different extension here. Okay, you can see. And from here, I can actually go with infinityfree.me. Okay, so testbanana.infinityfree.me. This is going to be my subdomain. So I'm going to check availability if it is available or not. Yes, it's available. And here you can see we have here password. So I'm not going to show you the password. You can actually check your password from the domain. I will show you how you can actually check it. But for now, let's go with it. And we're going to say create account. And here you can see email consent. And I will say I approve and then create account. We are setting up your hosting account. It means our domain is creating. And here you can see it can take up to 72 hours for new domain to be accessible everywhere. But for now, we can actually go for the manage option. Here you can see this is our domain testbanana.infinityfree.me. If we click here you can see this is our domain, and here we have different option. We can add the database also. Since we have no database in this project, so we are going to skip this part. But let's say you have a big size project, you have PHP project, and you have the database also. You can actually add the database here also. Okay. So this is fully functional, and I will make another video for this. For now, let's just go with the static one. So this time, currently we are inside cPanel, right? And here we have to go for the file manager at first because we have to upload our project. So go for the file manager, and here you can see redirecting to file manager, and this is our file manager. And here you can see we have index2.html, and here you have file for your website should be uploaded here. Okay. So we are going to now remove this. Okay, remove this because this is unnecessary. So we are going to remove this. Let's delete this, right click on it and delete it. Okay, and here we are going to upload our files. So we are going to click here upload, and let's go for the zip and extract option and then choose the file. Make sure you have zip your project, and here is the project. I have zipped it. How you can zip it? Right click on the folder and send to compress zip folder. Then you will get a zip folder. So open it. Now you have to click here upload and extract. So it will actually upload the file and also it will extract the file. Done. You can see it already extracted. Now you can see file for your website should be uploaded here. And we know there should be an index.html or index.php file because this is the default file for every single page. So here we are going to go inside banana shop. So double click on it and here you can see we have here index.html file and other necessary file. So we're going to select all of them and we're going to move them into the root directory. So right click on it and click here move selected for, and we are going to go for the root. Okay. We're going to select parent directory. So move it. And let's go back. We have here all the file. The thing is we have to actually keep them inside htdocs. Okay. So htdocs is the, so if you actually keep them outside of htdocs, it will not work. So you have to actually select all the file. This is an accident. Sorry. Accidentally, actually, I have done this. So I'm going to actually select all of them other than these files because these are my project files, right? Without, I mean, I'll uncheck it because this is not my file. So asset, CSS, JS, and then index.html is my project file. Now I have to move them inside what? htdocs. So move selected and then click here root. Then you will find htdocs and click here move. So I have to actually do this at the very beginning, but I have made a mistake here. So sorry for this. But yes, it's okay. We can actually keep all the file here in the htdocs. And here you can see this folder is empty because we have moved all the files. So we can actually delete it because this is the unnecessary folder. So we're going to delete this. Fine. Now we have everything here. You can see index.html. Now we'll actually check that our website is working or not. So let's go back here in the Infinity Free and we are going to actually check our domain, what we have actually created right now. And here you can see this is our domain testbanana.infinityfree.me. So we're going to click here. So this is the domain. So I'm going to copy this and go here, paste it in a new tab. And here you can see our website is live. Now, let me show you from other browser also, or maybe you can actually go with the incognito windows and then you can actually check it that if it is actually live or not. Here you can see it's live, right? And it's working, fully functional, you can see, right? So guys, I've shown you. Now you can actually share this website with your client or anyone because this is now completely live. And guys, I have shown you how you can actually host your website or deploy your website for free. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.